You want more energy, better performance, and a stronger connection with your partner. But lately, you've been feeling off. Tired. Unmotivated. Like your body just isn't responding the way it used to. What if I told you the answer isn't in another pill, but in your kitchen? Studies show that blood flow and hormone changes after 40 are major reasons men experience fatigue, low libido, and reduced stamina. But nature has already given us powerful tools to restore what time tries to take away. In this video, I'll show you a natural, science-backed drink you can make in under 10 minutes, with ingredients proven to support testosterone, circulation, stamina, and drive. Stick around to the end, because how you take it makes all the difference. Let's make it, step by step. Step 1. The power of onions. Slice 1 medium red onion. Onions are rich in antioxidants and compounds that naturally support testosterone levels, blood flow, and fertility. They help improve circulation, which is key for performance, and protect sperm from oxidative stress. Think of onions as your heart and hormone helper. Step 2. Add garlic, the circulation king. Peel and lightly crush 5 cloves of garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that relaxes blood vessels, improves stamina, and supports testosterone. It's also a natural aphrodisiac that helps reduce stress and enhance energy. Do you want better drive and endurance? Garlic delivers. Step 3. Add ginger for energy and hormone balance. Slice about an inch of fresh ginger. Ginger is your go-to root for hormone support, anti-inflammation, and boosting stamina. It also improves blood flow and reduces cortisol, helping you relax and perform better, both mentally and physically. Step 4. Boil it all. Add 2 cups of water and bring the mixture to a boil. Simmer for 10 minutes. This process pulls out the active compounds and concentrates the nutrients for maximum benefit. Step 5. Add turmeric, the golden warrior. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric after boiling. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation, and balances hormones. It also boosts testosterone and helps protect sperm from damage. A true all-in-one root for energy, drive, and wellness. Step 6. Slice in lemon. Cut 1 lemon into slices and squeeze the juice into your mixture. Lemon helps detoxify your body, lower stress hormones, and improve circulation. High in vitamin C, it protects your heart and enhances sperm health. Plus, it sharpens your mood and mental clarity. Step 7. Add honey for taste and hormonal boost. Add 1 spoon of raw honey to the warm mixture. Honey isn't just for sweetness, it's a natural aphrodisiac that supports hormone balance, strengthens the immune system, and improves energy levels. Bonus, it makes the drink taste amazing. This is a concentrated tonic, so here's the key. Take 2 tablespoons of the mixture and dilute it in 1 cup of warm water. Drink it 30 minutes before intimacy or anytime you need a boost. Use it a few times per week, not every day, to let your body respond naturally and restore balance. If this video is helping you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, so YouTube knows it's worth showing to more people like you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more natural men's health tips every week. And lastly, I will give you the secret tip, that is combining this drink with breathing exercises. Do you want to boost the effects of this drink even more? Combine this drink with 5 minutes of deep breathing or light stretching. It calms the nervous system and improves blood vessel responsiveness, making the drink even more effective. So here's your full recipe: onion, for circulation and testosterone boost. Garlic, for stamina, and improved blood flow. Ginger, for energy, and hormone balance. Turmeric, an anti-inflammatory, and improved sperm health. Lemon, for detox, and enhance mood. Honey, powerful aphrodisiac, and boost immunity. It's simple. Natural. Backed by science. And for men over 60, it could be the missing piece to feeling like yourself again. Try it once and feel the difference. Let me know in the comments, which ingredient do you already use? And what results are you hoping for? Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay in charge of your bed.